Can you pay with gift card on Doordash? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So you might have received Doordash gift card and you're probably wondering if you can pay with gift cards on Doordash. So the simple answer is Doordash gift cards add money to your Doordash account. Each card has a unique 11-digit code. You can use a Doordash gift card by adding it to your account. For that, you want to open up the Doordash mobile app, then tap on the account option. From here, you want to tap on gift cards. Here on this box, you want to enter the 11-digit Doordash gift card code. Once you have entered the code, tap on the redeem gift card option. Then the gift card amount will be added to your Doordash credits. And then they're going to be automatically used in addition to other payment methods on your account. Remember that Doordash gift card is accepted to pay for any part of your order, from the food itself to service fees and tips for your driver. You can buy Doordash gift card by tapping on the buy gift card option. And that's all you need to know about Doordash gift cards. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.